and long passage reading. Before we dive in, let's review some key vocabulary. Mike, hit me with the first one. Okay, the first word is haksang, hagsang. It means student. Great, and the sentence is Jo noon haksang I am nida. Jia noon hagsang gibnida. I am a student. Next, son sang nim, seonsing nim, teacher. In Korea, you always add nim as a respectful title. It's like calling someone sir or ma'am, but way more important. Oh, Mike, that reminds me. In Korea, even Google Maps would say, son sang nim. Please turn left if it could. Ha, that's very true. Teachers are highly respected in Korean culture. Moving on. Do seo gwan, do seogwan, library. And the sentence, do seo gwan e seo gong bu ham ni da. Do seogwane zeo gungbahabnida. I study at the library. Key grammar alert. The particle iseo after a place means at or in. Where an action happens. Do seo guan e seo equals at the library. Compare that with e, which shows direction. Hak gyo e gam ni da. Hagyo e gabnida. I go to school. Now let's review the grammar patterns for today's test. Pattern 1. The formal ending I am ni da. Ibnida. This is the most formal way to say is or am in Korean. You'll see it everywhere in TOPIK reading passages. Example, Igeo soon chak I am ni da. Igeo sien chagibnida. This is a book. Pattern 2. The connector words. These are critical for TOPIK reading. Gu rei seo. Gu lai seo. It means so or therefore. Hajiman, hajiman, but, and gu ri go, guli go, and then. These words tell you the relationship between sentences. Think of it this way, gu rei seo is like a domino, cause leads to effect. Waiting. Alright, time for the practice questions. Let's walk through some key questions together. Question 1. The passage says, Jo noon hak sang I am ni da. Hak gyo e da nim ni da. I am a student. I attend school. Who is this person? The answer is number 2. Hak sang. Hag sang. Student. The passage literally says, I am a student. This is a direct answer question. Question 7 is a great example of using context clues. The passage says, today the weather is blank. So I brought an umbrella. The key clue is yusan. Yusan. Umbrella. You bring an umbrella when it's rainy or cloudy. So the answer is heu rim ni da. Hulibnida. Cloudy or rainy. Mike, I love that question. It's like a detective story. The umbrella is the clue. Exactly. TOPIK reading is like detective work. Look for the clues in the passage. Now let's talk about sentence ordering questions. Question 15. These can be tricky. The trick is to find the conclusion sentence first. The one that starts with gu rei seo. Gu lai seo. Because gu lai seo always comes last. In question 15, sentence na says the bus didn't come. Sentence da says I walked to the subway station. Sentence ga says, so I took the subway. The order is na, da, ga, option number 2. Problem, action, result. Simple. Let's take a quick cultural break. Question 20 is about Chuseok. Chuseok, Korea's biggest traditional holiday. Chuseok is like Thanksgiving in Korea. Families gather, perform ancestral rites, and eat songpyeon. Songpyeon, a rice cake shaped like a half moon. Fun fact, in Korea, there's a saying that if you make pretty songpyeon, you'll have a beautiful baby. So everyone tries to make the prettiest rice cakes. Ha, that explains why Korean grandmothers are so competitive about their songpyeon shapes. The answer to question 20 is option 2. Families gather on Chuseok. Ga joki mo im ni da. Gyogi moibanida. Before we wrap up, let's talk time management. You have 40 minutes for 20 questions. Questions 1 through 4 are short sentences. Spend about 4 to 5 minutes total. Questions 5 through 9 are fill in the blank. 8 to 10 minutes. Questions 10 through 14 are topic finding. 10 to 12 minutes. Questions 15 through 17 are ordering. 6 to 8 minutes. And questions 18 through 20 are long passages. Save 8 to 10 minutes for those. They take more time but are worth it. Let's do a quick summary of today's key strategies. 1. Always read the question before the passage. This saves time and helps you focus.